Good morning. Today is March 19th, and at Advance Embrace, we continue our journey into the mysteries of human potential. In the Eureka Effect category, we'll peek into the firmware of our visual system and talk about how we perceive information. Are you ready for cosmic reading speeds? Our message of the day: we don't read by letters, but by images. Since childhood, we've been taught letter by letter makes a syllable. Syllable by syllable makes a word. This was useful for learning the language. But in reality, our eyes don't move smoothly along a line. They make micro jumps that scientists call saccades. What is the Eureka Effect here? When we read letter by letter, we force our eyes to make dozens of unnecessary stops. But our brain is a brilliant pattern recognizer. It doesn't need to assemble a word piece by piece. It recognizes its silhouette instantly, just as we recognize a friend's face in a crowd. Thus, you can double your information intake speed simply by widening your focus. How does it work in life? When we expand our peripheral vision and try to take in a whole block or even a line at once, magic happens. The brain stops pronouncing words internally. This is called subvocalization and starts downloading meanings directly. It's like switching from slow dial-up internet to high-speed fiber optics. How to train your peripheral vision for high-speed levels? Use Schulte Tables. Look at the center of a grid with numbers and try to find all numbers from 1 to 25 using only your peripheral vision. This teaches you to see the entire plane not just the center. Indent reading. Focus your eyes on the second or third word from the beginning and stop 2 or 3 words before the end. Your peripheral vision will catch the edge words without direct focusing. The pacer technique. Move a pen under the text quickly, forcing your eyes to keep up with the movement. The snapshot method. Try looking only at the center of the text, attempting to grasp the whole line at once, swallowing it as a single image. At first, it will feel unusual, and you might feel like you are missing something. But give your brain a chance. It will complete the picture on its own. Try this biohack today. When we learn to see wider, we don't just read fast. We find solutions and new ideas faster in the flow of life. Your Eureka Effect by Advance Embrace.